Yo, what's going on, everybody? Look, I wanted to check out TikTok analytics to kind of give y'all insight on why TikTok is still very relevant. And I know I got started on it really, really late, but who cares? But the main platforms I'm posting on obviously is YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But I just kind of wanted to go over what the hell I'm seeing on TikTok and how crazy it is. So let's head into the studio here. Let's see, view all. And I was actually kind of blown away when I looked at the last 60 days. Look at those metrics. This is crazy. And mind you, I'm posting the same content on all platforms. Some of them slightly different, things of that nature, but it is the same content, and it's absolutely eating on TikTok. It's crazy. Even though we got small, I don't have a lot of supporters yet. It doesn't matter. It's whatever. I'm nowhere near being monetized yet, but who cares about that? I just like to look at the numbers, and it's absolutely crazy. That's insane. That's more than some people are getting on YouTube alone, with regular videos, long format and short format videos together, combined. Absolutely insane. Let's go to viewers. That's crazy. That's crazy. 90% male. That's crazy. Let's see, what's the age ranges, location. Look at that. All pretty much USA, baby. We ain't got a bunch of Chinese and Indian folks where all of our views are coming from, like a lot of these other dudes be having. Be buying them views. That's crazy. The attention is free. You just got to make some content, man. That's it. Let's go to followers. Total followers 138, new followers in the last 60 days 107. That's wild. That is absolutely crazy. 85% male. Ages, okay, they already did that. But let's go over to live. I guess our live center. I've gone live a couple of times, but anyways, let's check that out compared to edits or our Instagram. Kind of see what that looks like in the last 60 days. Remember, same content. Look at that. 71,000 real views, reach 37. I think these are a little bit different, but net followers -10. I've been having a lot of people actually unsub, or whatever you want to call it, here on Instagram. And I have a sneaky suspicion that it's because I'm not posting a ton of riding videos. And that's okay for me. That's okay to me because, like, my channel is different. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm posting up what I want, how I want, what I want, how I want. So that doesn't bother me at all. And to me, honestly, like I said, the numbers, as far as, like, I think I'm already monetizable on Instagram, but I mean, I don't even know what that means, honestly. Whatever. It is what it is. But I also don't have any kind of like breakout content, I don't think, on Instagram. But there goes some of the numbers there, and you can kind of tell the big difference. Look at that. Likes 1,789 likes, comments 136, shares 16, saves. So I say all that to kind of say this. Is there any other metrics? I guess it kind of breaks it down already. I actually kind of like that. It is very, very simple here. There's so much more stuff on Instagram, or not Instagram, TikTok. But as you can see, that, man, this is just crazy. Look at that. 71 on Instagram, 85 on there. Profile views, that's a little different. They didn't do that over there. Likes, look at that, 39, 77. And what is it over here? 1789. Comments 136, 16 shares. Comments 471, 50 shares. Like, that's insane. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of show that. I thought it was pretty interesting. But yeah, anyway, if you're over there on TikTok, make sure you follow me. It's just a really different beast over there, and it kind of lets people know. It kind of if I had do I have YouTube? Let me see. I think I got the YouTube on here as well. Let me pull up the analytics. I don't know how. YouTube is kind of a different beast, but we can see what it does. I don't know if it lets me change the days. Does it let me change the days? Can we do custom? Dang. Yeah, so it doesn't let me do the custom here, I guess, on the app. So, you know, it is what it is, but probably do it on the desktop. But man, that's just absolutely insane. If you got Social Blade or anything like that, you can kind of look me up. I think you can find me on there. I know I'm really small, but they should be able to find me. But yeah, that's just crazy. So this kind of goes to show you that, you know, you can be producing the same content for different platforms, and it kind of just shows you how differently your content may hit on different platforms. To me, unsuspectingly, I had no idea that it would hit this hard on TikTok. Again, I don't post stupid shit as far as like me doing stunts and stuff like that. I guess if you were doing stuff like that, you'd probably be blowing up a lot more on TikTok than anything. But yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy to me. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. I think it's wild. I'm out.